Alright everyone, this is the moment we have been waiting for. I just got this package in the mail from Tommy Martin of MSRRC. I've already taken the liberty of covering up any personal information with spray paint. I have to get this box open. I have been dying to see how this front bumper came out. I already know how the rear came out. I saw the video, so he was waiting to post a video so he wouldn't spoil the surprise. I've taken the liberty of sending him 2 boxes of stuff, so please stay tuned to his channel for further projects, because I've sent him a lot of stuff. Just because I thought what he charged me for this really, it wasn't enough, because I mean that front bumper put him through hell. Hey, it looks like it's packaged pretty much exactly the same as I shipped it out, in a bunch of grocery bags. These actually work really well for packaging stuff. So, and I see I got my towel back. He totally could have kept that. It was a brand new towel, but whatever. Pretty good microfiber. Oh, I see. We got the old ones back. Lens is still in place, no doubt, which is fine, because I really didn't think they were going to come off. I'm pretty sure they got super glued on because they kept falling off when the car was still brand new. Oh, we have something right here. Check that out. Gosh, that is very impressive, sir. That is much stronger than the original. I mean, it doesn't move at all. I like that he has spots I can drill out for the mounting points. A lot of sanding to do before I can paint them, but I mean, I don't care. It's cool to have the only new Snoop DeVille parts in existence. That's neat. There's the rear bumper. I'm going to try to clean that up a little bit where it says MSRRC, because I do like that. We're going to carefully sit this back here as I reach in here. We have the original bumper, which I figured would give him trouble. Not really sure where the taillights are. I'm hoping they're in a bag in here, but here's a nice comparison. I actually like his detail a lot better than the original, because the original was kind of vague and this is really deep. It's really in there. Gosh, that looks flawless. Good job, Tommy. Oh, looks like we got some extras here. Dude, he sent me some LEDs. Oh, and a few of my pieces for the original bumper. Dang, this is gonna be fun. We're gonna... Hey Tommy, if you know what voltage these are, let me know, because I don't want to burn these out. I'm gonna try to make sure they get the proper voltage. What? Dude! He made me some license plates, there's some decals, and he even made the side trim for the Hearse. Oh dude, I have to hold it up to it. Hang on a second. I'm really hoping these fit, because those are kind of cool. Alright. We can probably make this work, actually. They're pretty big. But, gosh, I do appreciate the effort there. If anything, I could always cut them down a little bit. Looks like they're the same width and thickness throughout. That is so cool, dude. Dude, and the centers are little coffins. Oh, yeah. Yeah, these are going on here. I'm going to find a way to get them on here. Alright, figures the main event would be wrapped up in here. What? Excuse me? I have a second rear bumper. What? And he's already installed the lights. Dude. You know what? I was gonna sand off some of the texture from the 3D printing process, but I kind of like it. It looks kind of ratty and like the chrome's bubbling. I might just leave that alone. All right. So we've got a spare, and this guy it also has the mounting studs with new screws, which is great because it was missing the screws. All right. Oh man. No way. Dude. Dude. Man. Look at that. Tommy, I have to hand it to you. You are the man. And I love these holes on the bottom. That looks absolutely sick. And the hidden MSRRC right there. I love that. That is staying. Yeah, we're not finishing these. We're not gonna sand anything. I'm leaving them as is. They're going on the car. Let's just have a quick sneak peek. Oh, I do have to trim the inside of the bumpers just slightly to get it up in here. But dude, that is gorgeous. Bravo, sir. Now, I'm glad I sent you as much stuff as I did. I'm wondering if I've sent you enough. Looks like he did actually 3D print this in multiple pieces, which is probably the only way he was going to get it done. Dude. I might bug you for another set of these. Don't kill me, but I have an idea. I kind of want to make a metal car and use some of your 3D printed bumpers. These exact ones, but I want to make something else. I mean, I want to make something that's completely mine, but with Cadillac front and rear end. I want to make something out of metal, dude. This would look really sick on a metal RC car. Maybe some kind of four-wheel drive, like to me a TT01 or something chassis. Gosh. This has absolutely made my day. Alright everyone, I'm going to turn the light a little bit and we are going to get a dang close look at Tommy's work. Look at this. All you naysayers, all you doubters, anybody that didn't think Tommy could do it, he's the man. Alright. I would love to put these on the car right now, but I have to run and take my daughter to the dentist. So, alright everyone, thanks for watching as always. Please check out Tommy Martin, MSRC's channel. I'm going to put another link to his channel down below. Please check out his videos, watch everything he makes, and thumbs up everything he does. Because, not to quote Men in Black, old and busted, new hotness. Old and busted, new hotness. That's awesome. You just cannot compare this to this. This is fantastic. So, thank you again, Tommy. Enjoy all the stuff I sent you. Please make a video of them. Just spread it all over the place. I'll make sure to thumbs up your video when you upload it and everything. This is really cool. So, stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.